Biology sin lai som lekhan na biotechnology principles and process banga biotechnology ai ke bang principles jang bang method janga tom ki bol khe ya chi simding hi hai chapter biotechnology chiang in the use of living organism hinanei tiki jang ding bangje ke jang ding to make useful product a product hoiding ma and any technological application technology tom ke jang ding biological system garing te sung khong ai ke le tom ke jang ding the living organism or derivative thereof to make modified products and process for specific use garing a genes khong a mass production ide genes particular species ai ke particular gene tom te loi a DNA te ki manipulate ding ma ke ye genes bangile ebang DNA hile ai gene ye gene dangom gene dang ki thwa mai jan dewa living system to organism te ki soi science in make useful products hoya hi biotechnology aile European Federation of Biotechnology bang achi define ale the integration of natural science kom and organism gan hinanei a cells akele a cell part tabana a molecular analogs for product and service atang pe chu ai biotechnology ki mi hingte phatwam pi theinang ki bol mi hingte de dana gan hingte ki achi asa akele a cells tan DNA tan kha ki khoi ki soi science in to adinga ai biotechnology poimo ma mai hi biotechnology chi ni dang lai pe ka scientific knowledge sana the ke le ipu pate na hi aya bread khong bol organism tung to na ki jang wai bana card with the help of microorganism a card chi chan da hi elam da hi ki cha ya bang le lactobacillus microorganism ten waya a glucose amte kha ana breakdown in jinoi breakdown zo changwa it will give some acid lactic acid the hi khong la si ta loi bang le biotechnology khata hi ni dang lai pe ka ipu paten ana bol ve ku zu mai kel an bang leng a je la hoi te bang le fermentation process khata hi ai le biotechnology application khen khat ai fermentation akha atang pia microorganism ye bang hile zu bol na bang hile grape wine bang bol le khile hoi do sin dim chinoya gan hing micro mu thelo mi da mu thelo wai ten ya sugar am te break dim chin amau kha alcohol zu swak sak ma beverage don hei tom he te bang le grape wine chi khong tom te loi fermentation eka process of biotechnology chi khathai BR chi te loi bang le don hei tom te loi process ya gan hing main wai thil asunga omtion nek changwa wai glucose akela starch omtion breakdown changa wai breakdown ten they will give acid or they will give alcohol ma they will convert into alcohol principle of biotechnology principle chini poimo ma wain kha atang pia alteration of chemistry of DNA RNA te ki khek DNA chi chai it will be a double stranded RNA is a single stranded wai te ya a strand khen khat ki remove in chin a nucleotide khong tom te ki khek ya is of interest tom khat ki koi bang le hai ki ron chi ki koi wai te bang le genetic engineering chi kata hi to bana maintenance of sterile ambience to microorganism khong culture bangile ei sungbang hoi dewa hi sianga microbes particular microbe lactobacillus bang culture rule microbe jang ten anek thelo nanga wai lactobacillus culture theina nga microorganism dang hinanei dang tep thelo nanga hoi dewa sterile environment abola genes ai kele particular interest pen ikoi theina kha suksiangai that means sterile ambience enable growth of desirable microbes eukaryotic cells large quantities of manufactures of biotechnology product like vaccine khongtam pp bol theina nga ahun ai kele mun suksiang thongai chemical engineering ai process au piping ena hi asexual reproduction in organism preserve genetic information asexual reproduction chi changa fusion of gametes samlodi no fusions of gametes samlodi jinwai jaka yen kha genetic DNA te ki keglo ai ke le chromosome there is no crossing over to sexual reproduction achu nanwe kana payam ki fusion changa na DNA te ama nang kha on ki mix nei chile le sexual reproduction achu usidan temlo inchin to jaka agin ki khoi khalori then it will preserve genetic information ai sexual reproduction to hybridization and mainly to variation to am na ta te to me mo include undesirable idelo genes pen bang lom the azo ide genes to jang ki mix khom changa genes of interest pen kha do particular ta ki express thelo to ding genetic engineering chi khong pai mo ai to genetic engineering a pai mo chu gene transfer to the host require vector gene transfer theina nga atang pia ya bacteria ma human gene ebang insulin gene bang de bang tale cells karen gene insulin gene chi tale ai te cells akela kya cells of nucleus kila kya engine gene of interest is insulin chitani ya gene of interest pen itak science synthesize len bacteria bo sakso isolation of plasmid of DNA and DNA containing genes of interest bacteria in kaya amada plasmid. This is the bacteria chromosome. It is also called nucleoid likiti a plasmid extra chromosomal DNA extra chromosomal DNA of bacteria hinchin poimo it is a vector vehicle chinamo which can carry foreign DNA kilakia kichanga gene of interest cells elakiat pento restriction enzyme tong kikading azawa kichanga kikoiding azo DNA ligase in seal di seal kichanga pen bacteria cells transfer non bacteria nama gene science in they will keep on multiplying hong pong dium chin cells clone with gene of interest ki clone ta ma sunga om he ben sungom akicha recombinant tirang kichi to kichanga ki culture engine petipresia bang yam bom har ko engine ki ko kichanga he bacteria pen insulin tam pian produce insulin tam pi on produce wa insulin pen kha extract la khet thei uchilo he pest resistant abang hile plant sading abang le tom produce thei uchilo wa ganing tom application various application tam piama genes used to alter bacteria from cleaning up toxic waste I kill a gene ki modify toxic waste teloi nin teloi ani thei ani tum thei te genes bang le ko thei I kill research basic research on gene plant genes bang le bacteria tang ko thei plant cells la plasmid it chat sama banga neu ding it will be small circular loom ding self-replicating amalema ki reproduce they mean replication recombinant DNA kha anabol tu masa Stanley Cohen and Harvard sanghat jakwa somsa girinia mawana patkhedya the linking gene gomkhom antibiotic resistant bone gene with plasmid of Salmonella typhimurium bacteria anabol hi then a basic step against amabangen identification of the desirable gene introduction of the identified DNA to host maintenance of introduced DNA to the host and transfer of DNA to its progeny hai simple step hai basic step 10 thak dinga isolation of genomic DNA gene of interest pen isolate di lakhiding ma insulin gene pen bangin lakhilata from the donor DNA bang chela khet ya asunga koya tom chemical tom mix separation ding also fragmenting the DNA using molecular scissor oi de pen kha bangchi tan khiding molecular scissor chena tang pe ya restriction enzyme to tan khet ding hoi bana why itan khiat pen agent pen ide pen ma ya chi hoi 100% ki thelo cha proof nang mo screening hoi dowa en khidi it is already ide pen ha chi fourth step na is gene of interest bang hele yai pen yai sunga koilut plasmid ka vector hai vector tom ma ya ki koilut ma ei kha basic step hi angana introduce the recombinant vector into competent host a host sunga koiding then I koilu dan dawa uchela kablo the a host sunga ya micro injection bangla jak the needle foreign DNA ya host sa koilu ding as a culture hoidewa petri place ke tom culture culturing these cells to obtain multiple copies of clones of desirable DNA fragment hoidewa culture ding when culture kichanga cells them ki combine ni chang it will transform is gene of interest le pe on ki express suppose yellow bang le pen bang on ki express le la khen ding biotechnology tungtona many byproducts to amtama I koya ma human welfare human te poimona tom crops production I kele drugs dam doi bolna vaccine ye kap teloi diagnostic livestock ya gan hing tom khoi teloi oi bana molecular biology le kizang microbiology le kizang biochemistry immunology le kizang genetics le kizang chemical engineering le cell biology ya biotechnology azat na tampiam hi biotechnology to recombinant DNA technology in hat material avan jading tampiane ya waite hi le ana restriction enzyme chi changa which can cut the DNA tan thei to just like molecular scissor sokol bak in do tan thei restriction enzyme chinioma restriction endonuclease and restriction exonuclease nina polymerase enzyme thumna ligase lema lina vector awai plasmid chite ngana host yaiteng recombinant DNA na hi dekle atang pe hai tengkha poimo dinga hi ale restriction enzyme chi bangya restriction enzyme chi changa used to cut DNA in recombinant DNA technology singa nama wai ma bangya atan DNA ki tanding bangjai tanai chi le hai DNA tan ki din chin DNA dang ai ke le zin dang ikoi ul le wai ko na ki tana hi sangkhat zakwa som le humin enzyme ni kelakhia E. coli Escherichia coli which cut the growth of bacteriophage is intended is virus hi which infect bacteriophage is a virus si kharea why virus ten kha bacteria dang ne te why te bacteriophage ki chi virus which infect the kha bacteriophage one enzyme add methyl group khatpenin kha methyl group CH3 group add engine and khatpenin other cut DNA and khatpen restriction endonuclease ki chi hi restriction endonuclease function DNA atom dung zuye ke le thil tom akat dan DNA tan thi dan a process tom hi endonuclease aki isolate masa aki lakhi masa pen hi le hintu aki cha study na proof na le hintu always cut DNA the particular point khen khat mun khat chawa ka ya wain kha 6 base pair DNA base pair group 1 2 3 4 5 6 DNA base pair group mun chau ko yam khat chawa ka hi 1 2 3 4 5 6 base pair recognition ko yam khat aman recognize restriction enzyme bangchu zakwalam ki isolate ya from strain tom zani la somthum apat restriction enzyme zakwalam ki isolate ki lakhia hi restriction enzyme nucleus class of enzyme hi chinioma restriction exonuclease in DNA strand kile RNA strand aninga idul kat at the end aning tok kat dinga hi ai te kha restriction exo that means outside remove nucleotide from the end endonuclease is changa idul cut in the middle cut at specific position within DNA ya middle de cut hi wai te restriction endonuclease ki chi ai le restrict enzyme seloi bang chidana min kipia ya first letter hai bang le eco r1 ai bang le restriction enzyme khata ya he pen prokaryotic cells apat ke lakhi hi eco r1 in bang eco chi changa Escherichia coli is kha genus and the species e kha genus akila in copen Icopen species akila kya genus species name of the bacteria akila kya na R pen ka RY strain apat kila waya RY strain engine I chi changa Roman number indicating the order in which enzyme was isolated from the bacteria ya bacteria ma enzyme nangmang kila khile tu cha tom ma haban banang pe dei hama sa pen hai jaga R1 ke chi eco R1 endonuclease internal cut exonuclease nucleotide removed from the end restriction endonuclease bangchidana na sema chi endinga restriction endonuclease in ka recognition mun khat chau recognize the to bind and cut specifically each of the two strands of the double helicate the sugar phosphate backbone teloi I cut the wai molecular basis of unit na isim kitsamo sugar phosphate backbone teloi thinai lu an thakun lan ale restriction enzyme in ka banga recognize the palindromic nucleotide sequence recognize strand can cut which can read backward and forward ma wai te hi le palindromic chi chianga madam bang chitale hela mana sim the madam le madam ai le chief minister loi pamin ibobi bang le hela mana sim le sim the wai bana malaya lam hela mana sim the wai te ka palindromic sequence ki chi ai restriction endonuclease in le uchidan strand te chau kat the ai mana nei to le GATC hela mana sim le dik the GAATC hela mana sim le ma GATC ijana kat the hi wai te chau kat the ya bang kat de bang tele icha kat the GATC and if you read backward GATC base pair mai dan te chau endonuclease in tan the hi restriction endonuclease cut strand away from the center alai tan the palindromic sequence te chau two bases on the opposite strand leading to formation of single strand portion of the end sticky end or overhangs kichidi then tan changa he ATG GG telon tan changa yatigal sticky end aning tongan tan alai chui thawile ni chan tan engine he end te sticky end kichi restriction endonuclease and tan engine he on tan le chan soa ya end te ka sticky end kichi some restriction enzyme tom tiendinga eco r1 hi le Escherichia coli pat kilakhia yain hi la kapat chatan the GATC and similar GATC elam le GATC ya overhang or sticky end kichi hi PSTI Providencia 30 yai a microorganism kila khena ya yain bangsi kata ya le GTC CAG yalam simile kisim the yalam simile kisim the non ya overhang si cha han kat yang kat cha yang kat kya chili tan ki mo hi overhang or sticky end SMAI Serratia marcescens in leya alaya uncut the eka resistant enzyme sikati ahia yan ka sticky end produce lo blunt end kichi aki khai nam no lo ma aja blunt ends kichi binayel le CE3 Haemophilus aseptus yain le midila tanthe ya midila tanthe ya ai sticky end no lo jaga ye dan to ki bang no lo jaga blunt end kichi like that it's cut on the middle ai HPA2 ai Haemophilus variant influenza pat kila kya ya in to overhangs produce changkat ai 5 prime overhang ya overhang sticky end ya mahi restriction endonuclease kizan na india restriction endonuclease ichi chianga DNA strand te kat the hi atang pia DNA fragment DNA tamlo lo te koi yama gene of interest of le yte kilaluta yte laglu nanga ai restriction endonuclease poimo hi ya yele epen vector DNA DNA poding a strand pen plasmid DNA hidinga epen foreign DNA yapat yaiteng enkide epen iko iding hi iko arwan chi cha yale restriction enzyme endonuclease hi ya yain SS ZAA ETC cho recognize hi HM te thenjin yte cho anthe hi to yang tan ding dan epen de pen hi ka yang tan loading engine ya ong pai dia ya jiang por kidi yale yang pai dia ya chang por kidi aileng kitan changa atan tu eco r1 ma hi ani gela aileng sticky end or overhang sakichia ethical hongki join dia to zo chang in DNA ligase in hongki jon ki chang shielding to khai mana DNA recombinant chi changa khachanga tamzo ki combine ki jom khomo a join tu hi le DNA ligase recombinant DNA technology paidan foreign DNA akila a vector le kitan ding foreign DNA de chia kitan de a fragment ngom restriction enzyme a tan ding hoya tan zo chianga ya bul ding hoi pene bul khe chianga DNA ligase in on seal the DNA ligase ong pai dia hoi zo che yai plasmid pen asunga E. coli sung des a host sunga ke ko ilun non din chin hoi ya E. coli in ama sadin chin hong ki multiply di gene of interest ide pen gene pen amanon bol mai ding mi hing te gene bang khumlu le mi hing te gene dan ma apoi mo pen chet on bol di hazo waya pat bacteria pat en I harvest ke ilakhe ding mo ai le ya idina igen te simple chika igen ya hilele waya ding a step poi mo tom te yen ma sidinga restriction enzyme ikat khichianga bangji select ding bangchi teng khya ding chi apoi mo pen ya gel electrophoresis ka instrument khada ya recombinant DNA technology ya ilo wathil hi theilo khada hi DNA chi negative charge hai bangja negative charge cha phosphate obje ka H3PO4 ai negative charge hai ja DNA le negative charge hai gel electroph atang pi agarogel kizam agarogel chi changa natural polymers tuipi la kaya sing pawti apat ke la khya ai nang nano gels DNA te tom tai thinang ai sunga ki ko engine agarogel electrophoresis ke thoda niya negative charge another hi le positive charge hi ya power ki supply dinga gel agarogel ki ko idin to ki changin ya DNA te mixture of DNA itan te restriction enzyme akikat sunga ang ki ko idinga ya azo yang ke pasak di a size len tai holding a size new ai kele azang zo tai ma sading wa hi ai le bangchi tel kya dingwa yang of changa ya longer DNA sauza te separations of DNA fragment based on size ki separate cha tang pi na thi ding ma ai wa ki changa staining ke jang staining na ha etherium bromide color pe the ya etherium bromide pen UV radiation light ultraviolet radiation na ki ka din chema in ka DNA fragment ikat te hon kilang khiding ai lo pat kwa ya etherium bromide ke chere auto radiography ban kila lighting hey restriction enzyme ka DNA te agarogel aning na la khelo ka illusion kichi that means isole kichanga cloning vector to clone homding bel homding ma cloning vector chi changa vector chi gari dan in cham telechin or vehicle which can carry something hen le cloning vector in le foreign DNA te carry the DNA malo midang DNA mundang parang paite pothe hi hoite ka cloning vector kichi hi vector chin yoma hana plasmid nina bacteriophage plasmid pen bacteria pat kilakia ai le bacteria phase chi che virus hai ya a virus which infect bacteria te attack dingu bacteria jaga ki multiply dingu ai kha bacteria phase hai virus the infect bacteria yai plasmid hai ya plasmid pe na hi le bacteria hiya ya bacteria bangile bacteria cell bangom le bacteria main DNA din plasmid pe extra chromosomal DNA di pen this will be plasmid recombinant DNA tolong ya plasmid ai pen pe poimo cloning vector omdan a character se ke silent feature tamlo yendinga amale mau ki replicate the even ki reproduce the tampi produce the cells khara plasmid soblanga to khatical ki produce the amau kha alien DNA that is foreign DNA asunga pothe unjin can multiply equally to copy numbers of vector hi vector 2 foreign DNA te carry nang ama kela puang nang apoi mo ma khare recombinant DNA technology a vector phase a hi a virus a hi e pen plasmid bacteria bacteria cloning vector te omdan tamlo yendinga bacteria a yelle bacteria mjine bacteria chromosomal main chromosome ya nucleoid link kichia it is a circular DNA happen extra DNA happen ha plasmid kichia he plasmid kila khiding plasmid pen vector hiya akila khat kichianga foreign DNA is of interest pen kitan dia is of interest ki khumding wai ki khum kichianga he bacteria sungma ki transfer ni bacteria na ma gene sadin chin insulin gene bang koi bang itale wai pena ma gene sadin insulin bol media la and insulin atom na ila khia ding bacteria an a ma insulin on bol khat sakthei on bol sakthei hi bacteria phase ile virus ya virus in le DNA ne apolam pen ka protein akibol protein ko leng kichi a hi le virus bang ja poimo recombinant DNA technology gene khong chi khong neu chi ka ya kain bang le bacteria tom mai ke le cells tom infect the wa ja ka ya DNA kila khidin chin DNA bang lakhya the akile ma DNA teng bang la lakhyer ga isak the ye ting lakhi gai wa a gene of interest pen thun ithon kichanga e penin bacteria hiam ai ke le a cells te bang on infect le e ama gene to a gene pen hon kaplo din chin ya sunga hongom di integration chromosomal DNA tong hom di wai chang transformation form mo transformation ai le ai bacteria phase life cycle chin in aken the hana lytic cycle nina lysogenic cycle lytic cycle akha a bacteria aitek pe ma de siding lysogenic achu a genes te kablo ding chin wai a DNA kablo khit changwa why DNA pen cell sunga kibel ding recombination ding then here recombination will take place lytic chi chang si bacteria sunga ding bacteria sunga chang yai pen virus tampin ke multiply di hongpung chang ai wak ki din chin bacteria dangai ke le mundang ve tek non ding le yai lysogenic cycle chu a cells pen bangma chikhalo ding yai a host cell pen bangma chilo di why naksanga a DNA man kablo din chin a DNA to why a host DNA pen ki gom khom din chin transformation hiam ai kile recombinant DNA swag ding mo ki gom khom di chang foreign DNA gom khom the bacteria virus bangle is an recombinant DNA technology ale zathe hi ai le plasmid omdan endinga yai PBR322 hi it is a plasmid poimo na chu it is a vehicle or vector used for preparing recombinant DNA insertion mo til thun lo the foreign DNA idi dan ai kile our choice mo these are DNA sun the yai vector in omdan ai kile a characters ai kila features ending ai wa vectors in origin of replication DNA replication ke panna ya origin of replication nga ya selectable marker chi changa chiam te theina ai kile bangbanga ki jang emana marker chu PBR ka amplicillin to tetracycline resistant ideal marker ki jang ding cloning sites chi changa ya restriction site yai yemun ma teloi cloning sites on heading PMH1 ai kelesal1 PS1 PUV2 yai tenon kat diun chinemana is of interest if foreign DNA pen ki koi doi te cloning site ki chi vector chu cloning in plants to animals sing to ganinga ki jang the hi ps1 te loi pv1 ecor1 chi te loi a hi le restriction site restriction enzyme akat theina oi bana a cloning size foreign dna lemon ma ki koi the ama on kat deun chin on kat khit chonga foreign dna ki koi lu the hi le pv2 le cloning sites replication ke patna replication and replicate changa gene of interest bangle protein stampion from the engine poi moi multiple copies of number tamle tampi ki form nanga original replication hoi ngai copy number chi changa cell stampi why foreign dna a carry penin vector penin tampi produce heading why ka host dna tampi yung produce changa gene of interest le mau kha on bolding selectable marker he tangpia marker ki jang chu amplicillin tetracycline khong ya adang kanamycin chloramphenicol chi khong marker ki jang hi non transformant te tel khat thinang transformant chi chang i foreign dna pen hia ya sunga khom ke te changa hoi do replication on ong pai thei changa transformant jung chilo te loi replication thei lo foreign dna carry lo te wai te non transformant ke chi transformation mean procedure through which rDNA recombinant dna gene of interest pen to a host dna of khom chang be transformation ki chi hi cloning size chi chang foreign dna koi theina koi the chi le pst1 restriction enzyme enema kat thela koi thei ding pv1 le koi thei ding emana kat ding a foreign dna pen katan theina ma ecor1 in le emana ka koi thei ding ecor1 le it is a restriction enzyme cla1 hin3 ai ke le bmh1 chi te loi sol1 uv2 chi te loi bang le kat thei ding hi emana ai pen ka cloning sites ki chi pbl322 plasmid in resistant gene aneya amplicillin resistant gene or the tetracycline gene amplicillin resistant gene chi chianga ya petiprets or petitris koi bang hitale chin in a culture nei bang ki combined foreign dna bang koi taila mana koi le chu amplicillin pen function no lodi tetracycline function di ai nang bacteria tampi to thei khelo nei chianga tampi to koi khom le ai bacteria ang tin that u nanga tetracycline koi di mana na koi le na gene of interest pen na vector pen tetracycline to ki resistant do zodin chin wai jaga colony son form di khazan na khada hi amplicillin le hedan ma hi azo restriction site chi dena ye teloi foreign dna koi thina ba mai swan endonuclease he teloi tampi eman amve ka hi restriction enzyme in khatchanga tamzo tan thena ye vector mona ne hi waitan khichianga dna ligase la building azo antibiotic resistant amplicillin to tetracycline ya tetracycline lama thildang ai ke le foreign dna bang na koi jen le hi tetracycline resistant pen function din amplicillin pen function ding ai waidan te hi le helama khat foreign dna ki koi tai changa a function logic ka waite inactivate the gene enable to choose transformation from non-transformant. Right, dinga. Then again, mabanga BMH1 muna. Ya BMH1 muna. Foreign DNA bang ko ile yai tetracycline pen. Benzene pen ka function no loading. It will lose it resistant again tetracycline yai vectorin ma. Ile transformation can be selected from non-transformant by plating bacteria on amplicillin resistant is ang ID. Bang jaga chile lam function no loading ai changa. I select hina. Ile waidan te hi le bang kichi. Foreign DNA ko jaga insertion kichi hi. Example khat ending inactivation insertion ya tetracycline resistant oma gene ya amplicillin resistant gene le oma bmh1 ile restriction enzyme restriction sites mun le chi the ya atan chiangwa ya tetracycline pen kha functional tetracycline resistant pen functional lodi tetracycline to resistant lodi hoi jaga ya dinga amplicillin resistant ine ingai di white insertional inactivation kichi hi ya le antibiotic ni ini dan dewa dalam amplicillin to tetracycline ni ai loading a color bang chi difference di chromatic substances color poi mo ya eliminate wale ai plasmid chia ai blue ya kha light blue ti dalema ya ka foreign dna delama amplicillin to tetracycline dan dol hi the light blue am namun pena hi le aman khan lec z gene nei di ai lec z banga produce le beta galactosidase produce the ai le ama se pena ye le bangma foreign dna insert la wasunga iguan ke le a color ai beta galactosidase pen lexidin produce in blue color form di chu ai pen kha normal condition ai le foreign dna pen ya lexidin so gwanglu le beta galactosidase pen kha ki produce hin lo di in blue color produce lo di wa kha insertional inactivation ki chi hi ai le another case khatom no na case jang khat ya foreign dna pen lexidin mona lut ke lan amundang om le chu lexidin beta galactosidase pen bol hodi in blue color akela blue colonies ki modema colonies tom ya white colonies kimo bang ma colors a produce lo changa en yai cells pen akela blue colonies a produce lo chang yai cell pen chu recombinant cells hi chi ki cham de thiding he kha insertional inactivation chi the hi vector endinga singa le ganinga singa chu plants a bacteria jang tang piwa singa jak tang piwa le agrobacterium tumefaciens he pen non pathogenic disease cause lo inchin ya ati plasmid lakhia bacteria agrobacterium moi ki gene of interest semana koyunjin resistant enzyme atan ki changwa agrobacterium plants pen vu infect on gene infect ki chang a cell sunga volutu aiso recombinant ti DNA carrying new gene within plants chromosome ang load diun gene aiso my plant pen tissue culture tung to na plants lai dun sok dinga my plants thakon sok pen kha recombinant plants sok dinga hi animal sa chu virus ki jang tang pi ya animal vector endinga atang pi retrovirus ki jang retrovirus in chu normal cells ake animal cells chu cancerous cells sa sok sak the hilele ai pen bang bang hiam khat sunglam ki kho engine ki disarm mo cancerous cells sok sak lo da ki bol engine oi sang kha gene of interest pen kha wa ya je cells sung avo pathei dinga ki bol thaka hi ya retrovirus DNA ake genetic material DNA RNA bang hi le pen kilakhia engine wai tanga en gene of interest pen ki wang lut gene of interest pen igwang lut kichanga retrovirus in animal cells ai kele wete kicha volud in cells volud kichanga ya viral RNA peneni modify ta hi changa bol to mai changa amara no volud in chino ai volud kichanga ya chromosome sunga DNA volud in chin recombinant DNA on form ma ya sunga vocated chin a cells in kama cell sign chin gene of interest any amona isol igwan lut pen ya animal cells sunga lut animal cells of root changa nucleus sunga lut in nucleus sunga chromosome sunga gene of interest pen would deliver hi also transformation vector is a tang pite bacteria plants or animals why sunga will multiply hi while a competent host for transformation with the dominant DNA ya dia kha asunga host si changa foreign DNA will transfer na pen abo polut tu pen vector ki che ya a host sunga volut nang chu haksa sim ding direct kha cell sunga common DNA telu thelo mangja chi le my cells te hydrophilic water loving hai jegwa a host pen foreign DNA ana absorb direct easily and absorb thedinga ibo ngai hi foreign DNA hiluna technique tong to mama masa chemical treatment jak the he chemical treatment achu bacteria a ki jang tang pia ai bacteria host ki treat tang pia divalent cation ya divalent cation to ki treat le DNA foreign DNA pen recombinant DNA lut sak thei nang amo divalent cation to ki treat he why jo chang temperature tom to chemics ya bacteria cells to host cell to temperature asang hot or ya sadeu to heat engine to jo chang kisupot ice to kin why jo cha 42 degrees celsius tan hola ki non why jo cha ice to ki non hi avot to asa to heat sok tom to hi changa bacteria in why recombinant DNA pen a cells on absorb the uchilo lampi danga hi le micro injection eka cells hi ya micro just small injection cha kablu tho he cells is the no interest pen ya nucleus on kablu tho ka micro injection ki che tang pia gadhinga ki jang tang pi biological or gene thau chi din te wa ki janga he dinga hard force hard were bombarded with high velocity microparticle of gold to tungsten tungtona belinjin hoi tungtona is gene of interest pen ya plants sunga kablut microparticles dekha recombinant DNA to tuamma tang pi plant cells plant tissue culture khonga ki jang tang pi hi plant cells a aso disarm pathogen ni chi changa delamate retrovirus wangle atang pi aman ki disarm engine foreign DNA sunga ki posak the engine waya posak the chang wai tungtona aman cells ang awin vet changa na download gene of interest pen kha sunga would deliver in vector is remove disarm and pathogen ma so this disarm pathogen vector it's allowed to infect host and transfer our gene of interest to the host while genetic material is genes of interest pen bangchi lakheting isolation kicha eukaryotic organism ten chu genetic material DNA anei tang pia virus khong chu RNA khong anei tang pio yai recombinant DNA technology chu DNA teloi it should be free from biomolecules DNA chi khong chu histone proteins to om khom ya kivial ngau histone proteins to paiti hoi dewa a DNA a particular DNA pen ilak thei ngai mo hoi lak thi na kha lampi tom ma gene intervene with histone protein tom to and cell have to break open to release DNA and other macromolecules RNA khong proteins tom lipids or fats loi hong bang le cells sungom hoi sunga ilak khiat ngai ha gene of interest pen kha DNA sungom DNA le nucleus sungom gel tam piama waite break up ngai dimo enzyme tom zanga bacteria lysosome ki jang plant cell ka cellulose ki janga fungus chitinase a cell wa khong break nanga ki janga hi haile cell te loi ki break up lyse using detergent that disrupt the plasma membrane suksha theding chemical tom ki jang in chen why zo changa dena again they treated with proteins to destroy protein protein de suksha thena ngai zo RNase enzyme le ki jang to destroy RNA de suksha na any de pen so DNA changa adang teng ke dissolve le poilo hi protein de chu proteins ki dissolve RNA chu ribonuclease ki dissolve why zo cha cell debris is peel in a centrifugal machine pil har ki pai theya ki pai in chen ki pai ki cha supernatant chi cha liquid atui te tunga ke amdin chen ha tin wa yamdi ha tunglam ten liquid in chu DNA content di hai pen atui te ya clean test tube siang taka ki transfer di in chen precipitation of sakthena ethanol form din chen wa ethanol te la kha changa aman viscous transform din chen wa te spool cha pathiam bangyam khara khotonyam khara hedan dewa la kha thi di wa te kha DNA ong hi dinga hi stem ni na hi le cutting of DNA specific location ai DNA kilakinta ai le y DNA dina test tube la kha te restriction enzyme to tan kha ding vector bang hitale ai ke gene of interest bang tama changwa elaga restriction enzyme ta tan ding mo why restriction enzyme tan khichanga itan te bang chi choose khel ding bang chi tel khel ding chi le electrophoresis tung tona electrophoresis pasaga negative and positive reading ma why electrophoresis autoradiography tom kledi in chin why tung tona is gene of interest ai ke le cells pen DNA fragment pen la khedi DNA chu it is negative in charge negative in charge ai le ya positive lama electrophoresis tung tona ya transfer to ding why khichanga ya gene of interest la khet khichang ya vector kyanga ikoi din chin the transfer khichanga DNA ligase in ka ya ke seal di building ligation of genes of interest and vector DNA amplification of gene of interest pe neu chigi ya a bangam tale t z c c ya tiam dia a z z z s equal to c di gene of interest pen neu chik pis khatcho ke ta ai le wai pen kha khatchang tamzo bol hina millions and billions pen bang che bol ding aki bang che che a t z c om dan tel ki bang di strand a nucleotide om dan tel ki bang de base pair te wai te bang che bol ding billions and millions of same DNA can be produced with the help of this polymerase chain reaction chunga tam pi ki bol the hey polymerase chain reaction anamu ki tu ahile American biochemist ya kare mulisa ya amplify chichanga tomchik apat thousands and millions of copies of DNA bol he hi laboratory tung tona he bang chi bolding he dekha material avan jat poimo tomma primary chichanga small strands of mRNA they have oligonucleotides that are complementary to the regions of DNA hemana a bangomle ya g c t bangomle primer himeding primer single strands mRNA they are very small and they contain oligonucleotide azo ametera dangai le nucleotide changa nucleotide is made up of nitrogenous bases plus phosphoric acid plus ribose sugar heteloid DNA ading ikele polymerase chain reaction ading apoi moi wa kichanga a polymerase a DNA bol to ding tech polymerase ile bacteria pat kilakya from Thermus aquaticus aman kha temperature sang pi 95 degree 100 degree tan bangle tolerate the ke le cha thuam zo the wa Thermus aquaticus bacteria pat kilakya hoja tech polymerase ki che hi yai polymerase chain reaction a step tamlo ten dinga denaturation yai double stranded DNA hi a denaturation a heat poi more than 95 degree celsius ko hi le a strand te hydrogen bond te base pair te hong ki tan din chin a DNA bang le hong ki kak di hong ki kak ta hong ki kak changa a temperature ki sunyam di a temperature 50 to 56 degree celsius ho isuk niam changa annealing primary chi mRNA te loyong pai din chin ong pai changa DNA thakon boli tech polymerase on pai din chin nucleotides khong ai ke le poi mori dai lama ya ba le t elama g c a t ai oble ai tech polymerase phenol lama pai phai din chin opposite strands g c t a tom ong bol di he pe la parental strand he pe la parental strand ki kakin oi jo yela maleng pai non di same process tech polymerase pai di primer lang pai din chin ni ong bol khidi DNA polymerase mo ni bol kya DNA polymerase tech polymerase pas deoxynucleotide ya ni swakta eka first cycle khada hiya ai le cycle som thumbang bol zo le billions and millions of DNA will be produced a process tamlo annealing chija ki pen on azo DNA polymerase se activities and on performance in replication se DNA ki bol thang non mo it will repeat many times tam piveng ki repeat dingo PCR one zat poimo nem chi summarize dinga DNA sample ai DNA nem chi nei cha tam pi so jaka wai dinga kha primer poimo primer a it is a small strands of mRNA to kibang opposite strands se koi ding nucleotide it will contain nitrogenous bases adenine thymine guanine and cytosine ai teloi poimo ding hi waizo tech polymerase ichang yai te gom khom tu tam pi addition enzyme ai teng ya buffer so chemic zinga zo PCR2 baki run ding koi ding ai chi le ya machine khat thermal cycle le ki chi ai sunga ki koi din jin wai sunga ama sa pe na heat 95 degrees celsius ki heat din jin heat zo changa my process pen denaturation ki jiri denaturation banga hi chile tampi ve hi changa yai hydrogen bond teng ki tan di hongkitan ki changa heat pen suniam thang non di 55 degrees celsius wai zo changa primer ong ki bind ya primer yamana a bangom le yelama t ngom di c bangom le ya z bangom di wai zo cha a heat su sang thak di 72 degrees celsius tan khonga wai zo yai tech polymerization by din polymerase in ya new strands ang bolelam parental strand a new strand ten bol di ang bol di heka cycle khata ni produce ya yelle first copy in original yellow pen new strand ya first kha copy ni produce second cycle a copy li produce di ya dang tem ki thak non cycle thuma copy gian cycle liya copy somlegu cycle zakhat bang le chen billions millions hong on producing on ki bol khidi PCR ichi changa DNA neochik inei pen tam pi so athina pen PCR that is polymerase chain reaction kichi a machine pen thermal cycler length kichi ahi alina insertion of recombinant DNA into host cell sunga recombinant DNA pen bangje guan loading yai iguan na chemical treatment micro injection biologic gene gun le disam pedazen tungtona guan lo the ya wai guan lat khichanga eben transform recombinant DNA asunga eken non transform cells ai le transform cell pen amplicillin pen ana resistant amplicillin akoile chin silo dingu non transform cell te amplicillin ana koile sidingu hetimida mu theilo bangyam khat bom neu chika test tube sung ko ki culture ya koi pen transform cell a koi pen non transform cell chi thilo changwai select theina nga ei petri plate konga amplicillin ki koi din chin nutrient medium to ya a transform cell pen amplicillin to resistant ana do zo jaka on hing diu chilo non transform cell recombinant DNA te anom khom lo ai kele recombinant DNA asunga namlo te chu amplicillin to do zo loading resistant loading jangwai te sidin chin wai jaka ya cells idei pen a transform cell pen chu they'll form a colonies tampi groups of cells and form the wiping colonies kichi glycerin adom zo jaga transform cell hi chi ki thedi hoi tum to na marker chiam ti the this is called selectable marker ngana yelle obtaining foreign gene product ai foreign gene product chi cha alien DNA to cloning vector DNA ki gom khom changa recombinant DNA kichi hete bacteria hiya mai kele plants ai kele animals cell ki transfer the RDNA on ki express is in of interest on ki express yang target protein ki chewai ide pen protein peron bol insulin bangile target protein pen insulin ong hiding wai bang ki express le hoite bacteria tung ton lakhya ta atam sem bol sak ding mo large scale production bol the recombinant protein ichi chang ai heterologous host protein encoding gene chi pen express khas lo ka recombinant protein naturally amlo why proteins te khong recombinant DNA technology to na han mix yang wai te ka heterologous kichi hi yai a product te loi laboratory ale culture the wai bana industry large scale production ale bol he hi recombinant DNA technology tung to na ethyl hi te ethyl mu swate proteins tom khong tampi mass scale production bol le bioreactor janga he bioreactor a liter zapat sangkhatan khong capacity omthe hi Hey bioreactor is a vessel saya raw material tom recombinant organism microbial plants ai kele animal or human cells or culture medium condition tom koi theima a protein de ke enzyme nei te bang ya supply the hiya ko je microorganism te loi hin theina nga a temperature bang ai kele pH substrate aldan a vitamin oxygen chi hongleng hi ai bioreactor sunga supply the hi bioreactors a structure tamlo india ya a nai hi le simple stir tank bioreactor b nai le Aspergillus stir tank bioreactor huna chu air bubbles te kablu nos ei binai le ya ton non te loi a surface area oxygen om theina ngamo a surface area azo ya bang teloi le gas and treatment akichia ya bubbles teloi chu bang jaga bubble somai chi le increase oxygen transfer rate oxygen loi microorganism oxygen wai tom tam pia ki growth ina nga oxygen akia hin thina survive na nga koi moi jaga moi oxygen te ki supply thina nga hai pen ki pai it keep on moving steering ma NIL le acid base for pH control na nga ya instrument khatoma steam sterilization steam te hi siang thona yai muna jo motor apai tu ya teng apai tu ya pai motor ki pai ya foam breaker akele bladed impeller he jele ki pai thei circle ki pai culture board azo ya hui siang tho tira l ki pas to ai te khong bioreactor ki jang tang pi te hi downstreaming process hi le last step hi ya yai raw material akil inoculum generation bioreactor machine industry production loi tampi bol ki changa a process pai waya process te hi le biomass separation product purification product finishing I think to process on the downstreaming process ki chi downstreaming process in te hi le natural sources apart animal akile plant tissue akile fermentation bot te khong apat ong kila khe hi ai downstreaming process ki changa kilongom ding te clinical trials bangleng kinai drugs bang tale wai zo changa quality control testing bangleng poimo ding ma final products imu theina nga ai tengai dinga ai chapter again the bang taniam phatom ding in paging ta hi